Hey guys, I'm Kevin. I'm the sales manager of Armitrix at LBWK headquarters. So we flew all the way to build specialized exhaust for LBWK. Like we're trying to build exhaust that's specialized for each vehicle. So for each car is a whole new experience. Obviously, there's going to be something for Countach that's right behind me. There's also going to be Mini F40, the F40, and we're also cooking up something that's special in the near future. It is our pleasure to be a part of the family. LBWK has been very supportive, but like the passion of cars and it just makes us click, you know. And yeah, it's just want to say thank you for Toshi, thank you for Kato, thank you for the crew, and I want to shout out to the LBWK family out there. You know, hopefully that's keep showing passion to the cars. It's amazing that to work with the brand like LBWK, who has the passion to go above and beyond, you know. Besides just working with LBWK and being part of the family, to work with all the brands.
So you guys are getting super excited.
Yeah, we're super excited and looking forward for a lot of projects coming in the future.
Oh, let's make something special.
Yeah, thank you Toshi. Thank you.